Meaning of Fahrenheit.
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 Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is a temperature scale used to measure the temperature of an object or organism. It was invented by German physicist Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit in 1724. The Fahrenheit scale is divided into 180 parts, with 32 degrees marking the freezing point of water and 212 degrees marking its boiling point at standard atmospheric pressure. The term Fahrenheit is commonly used in the United States to express temperature, while most other countries use the Celsius scale. In short, Fahrenheit is a temperature measurement system that uses 32 and 212 degrees as reference points for freezing and boiling temperatures of water.